This right here is the Redmi 12, a 4G device with 50 megapixel AI triple camera, a 5000 mAh battery, a 6.79 inches screen, a MediaTek Helio G88 processor with a premium glass back design. It is also equipped with an IR blaster that allows you to operate supported home appliances from your phone. It has three variations: the 4GB RAM 128GB ROM variant, the 8GB ROM 128GB variant, and the 8GB 256GB variant. What's up guys, it's Victor here again. In this video, we are going to unbox and review the Redmi 12. Subscribe if you're not and ring the bell icon to be notified whenever I post a new video like this one. On opening the box, we first see the phone with a stylish and premium glass back case with an IP53 rating, which means it is dust and splash resistant. In the second wrap, we see the phone's original pouch, a flexible silicone gel pouch with a notch over the charger port. Then we have a paper bag containing the warranty card, a quick start guide, and a safety information booklet. Finally, we see the 18 watts charger brick and the Type-C to USB Type-A charger cord. The Redmi 12 has a very sleek cover design. It has a slim 8.17mm thick premium glass back design that is reflective and smooth to the touch. It is precisely cut to curve and sits nicely in the hands. And it has a triple lens rimmed AI camera with a flashlight in a formation like the iPhones we see nowadays. It comes with the fingerprint sensor by the side. This definitely screams comfort in every aspect. It also has a centrally placed punch hole that sits comfortably as the selfie camera. It is about 198 grams, so it is not so heavy, and that's just a bit heavier than two Indomie noodle packs. This in every way beats its predecessor, the Redmi 11. Before I forget, it comes in three colors: the sky blue, which is my personal favorite and which is the color I have right here. There's also midnight black and polar silver. With 4G connectivity, it has a 2.4 GHz and 5 GHz Wi-Fi system, Bluetooth 5.3 with a 3.5mm headphone jack, and of course it supports Google Play services, and this is very evident. They actually want you to know it because it's written boldly on the pack, with your favorite Google apps. The Redmi 12 has an hybrid SIM setup, so it means you either choose to use two nano SIM cards here or one nano SIM card with a memory card. I was actually shocked to find out that depending on your region, the phone is NFC enabled. What this means is that you can seamlessly connect to payment terminals instead of using your credit card and risking it being stolen. If you do not know what NFC means, there will be a video on my Instagram page very soon. Check the video description for a link to my page. Aside having a 6.79 screen, it also has a 90Hz refresh rate, which actually can be reduced to 60Hz in the device settings. It also has SGS low blue light certification, meaning it has less than 25% blue light radiation, and you can also adjust the color scheme in the settings. One of this phone's major strengths is that most of the features of the phone can be adjusted, allowing for a highly personalized user experience. Redmi 12 boasts a powerful MediaTek Helio G88 octa-core processor that supports a high refresh rate and is very good with battery conservation. Hence, having a 5000 mAh battery surely makes it a beast and means you are sure of using your phone for a full day. I was able to get a whole day with a single full charge. Tried my hands on gaming and I got 7+ hours of intense screen time. On the other hand, it took me 2 hours to charge from 0 to 100%, which, taking into account this phone's specification, is quite okay, but it measures badly compared to other phones. This phone comes in three variations with either 4GB RAM 128GB ROM, 8GB RAM 128GB ROM, and 8GB RAM 256GB variant. Aside its large RAM, it can also convert internal phone storage to RAM up to 3GB extra, and this can be done in the settings. First, you open the settings, then you scroll down to additional settings, scroll down yet again and click on memory extension and increase or decrease it as you see fit. This is very similar to what Tecno and Infinix call MEM fusion. And what this does is to convert a bit of your phone space into extra RAM. With its excellent processor, it also isn't very far behind when it comes to gaming, and it can be used as a daily driver for people with few tasks and mild gaming needs. Now, this phone has three cameras at the rear: a 50 megapixel main camera, an 8 megapixel ultra-wide camera, and a 2 megapixel macro camera. The front camera is a nice 8 megapixel selfie camera, and I was able to take some nice shots with it. The Redmi 12 shoots video at 1080p and at 30 frames per second, and this can also be adjusted in the camera settings. Hi guys, so this is what the video of the Redmi 12 looks like. This is the selfie video quality. And this is also like a mild quality test. Redmi 12 sports an up-to-date MIUI 14 UI, which is Redmi's custom screen built on top of Android version 13. And it has a very smooth and fluid user experience, very reminiscent of iOS. It has some of my favorite features on a smartphone like screen splitting, the floating window feature that allows you to keep a single app suspended on the screen for as long as you desire. This floating app can be opened from the sidebar or by long pressing an app on the recent app windows and clicking the floating app widget that appears. It also has the sidebar feature that keeps all your apps close to reach. The 4GB 128GB variant comes at 95,000 naira. The 8GB and 128GB variants comes at 102,500 naira, and the 8 gigs 256GB variants at 112,500 naira. It is already available in stores nationwide. The Redmi 12 boasts of features that are definitely a lot for a budget phone like this one, and for a phone in this price bracket. It is a phone I am not afraid to show off that I love, and I'll easily recommend this to anyone looking for a good budget phone that can perform most of what we want a phone to do while still not breaking the bank. Like this video and share it if it was helpful, and don't forget to check out any of the other videos on your screen right now. Thank you guys for watching this one, and I will see you when I see you in the next one. Bye.